Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to give a rose highlight today on Golden Grape, also known as Glowing Inspiration. This is a Jalbert rose that I've had in my garden now for 2 years. I originally purchased it as a bare root from Menagerie Roses, but I know that there's a lot of other bare root sellers, and I think this is going to be available as an own root plant from Heirloom Roses, which is super exciting. I really love this rose. My only complaint is that it has naked legs. So if you can, plant something low in front of it, or put this in the back of your garden bed to hide that. The rose is lightly fragrant, and overall, it is a non-stop bloomer from beginning of season to the very end. I love this rose. I hope that you'll consider growing it. And if you do grow it, tell me what you think about it.